How to recover GitHub account password. If you have forgotten your GitHub account password, then here is a step-by-step guide to help you recover it. So let's get started. First of all, go to the GitHub official website. Then simply tap on the sign in option available at the top right corner of your screen and navigate to the sign in section. Now here, all you have to do is enter your email address first of all. Once you enter your email address, simply tap on the forgot passwords option available there. Then you will be navigated to simply solve a simple CAPTCHA on your device. Let me just simply tap on forgot password option available here. Then simply tap on the verify option available and solve this CAPTCHA. Once solved, a reset password option will be available on your Gmail, and all you have to do is tap on the new tab, navigate to the Gmail, then there will be the GitHub notification, then tap on the reset password button available there, then navigate to the reset password section. Then here all you have to do is in the new password and confirm password field, enter your new strong password and again enter your new confirmed password and save the account info. Then again in the login section, enter your email address which is linked with the GitHub. Then enter the password you just changed. Then tap on the sign in or login button available there. And that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.